Prostate cancer symptoms. 10 signs of prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is the most common type of cancer among men, and in most cases, all prostate cancers are adenocarcinomas, or cancers that start from the glandular cells. In this video, I will share common signs of prostate cancer. According to the American Cancer Society, approximately 1 in 9 men are diagnosed with prostate cancer at some point in their lives. Most of them will receive their diagnosis when they are 65 or older. Thankfully, even though prostate cancer can be a serious condition, most men do not die from it. The key is to get it diagnosed as early as possible and work with a doctor to manage your condition. To catch it at its early stages is the key to a successful cure. Here are 10 common prostate cancer symptoms you should watch out for. 1. Frequent urination. When your prostate gland becomes enlarged, it could press on your urethra and cause you to feel like your bladder is always full. That leads you to urinate more frequently, especially at night when you're lying down. 2. Painful urination. Prostate cancer could cause discomfort or pain when urinating. This could happen as your urine flows or right before it does. The problem could be a dull ache or a burning sensation. You might also notice that your flow is weak. 3. Loss of bladder control. Incontinence is a common sign of prostate cancer. It may be challenging to hold your urine, or you could find it hard to start a flow even if your bladder already feels full. For others, it is difficult to stop a flow that has already begun. 4. Blood in urine or semen. Blood in your urine or semen might not be too obvious because it isn't always bright red. Often you'll notice a brown or dark orange color that could also come with changes in odor. Although blood in your semen and urine is not always a sign of cancer, it is still something that needs medical attention. 5. Pelvic pain. Men with prostate cancer often complain of pelvic pain that typically affects the bones. Sometimes that pain could radiate around the thighs, back, and hips. That makes it uncomfortable to stay seated for long periods. 6. Pressure in the rectum. An enlarged prostate could put pressure on the rectum, which might cause pain or make it feel full. In some cases, it could make it uncomfortable or difficult to empty your bowels. 7. Leg pain. Prostate cancer could cause tumor growths that affect the bones or press on the spine. As it progresses, it could affect your legs and cause swelling, pain, or even loss of sensation. 8. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a common sign of prostate cancer. In a study published by OncoTarget in 2017, researchers suggested that erectile dysfunction patients should be screened for prostate cancer regardless of age and medical history, because historical data shows that it is a common indicator of prostate cancer. 9. Painful ejaculation. When prostate cancer doesn't cause impotence, it could have other effects on your sexual health. For some men, ejaculation could become painful. It could feel more like a burning sensation, a sharp pain, or a dull but noticeable ache. 10. Reduced ejaculate. Apart from discomfort during ejaculation, prostate cancer could also lead to a smaller volume of ejaculate. Although this is also a common effect of aging, it should cause some concern when accompanied by other symptoms of an enlarged prostate. These 10 signs of prostate cancer should serve as a warning for you to consult with a medical professional. Experiencing a few of these prostate cancer symptoms does not necessarily mean you have cancer, but an entirely treatable condition. If you do end up with a prostate cancer diagnosis, you will at least have caught it early. Most cancers are treatable when caught early, so pay attention to these common signs of prostate cancer. Following our study references we used to create this video to start you on your own path of research. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.